What is up, you guys? Welcome to trading session number 37. We are looking at the market right now and we are consolidating right now. We have a lot of people, that want to kind of lock in profits right now. They, don't want to keep buying. They saw this market really recover and now they want to kind of like lock in some profits right now. So, we have Dow slipping 100 points. Fell Thursday, pulling back from record-breaking highs as traders poured through the latest batch of corporate earnings. We have a lot of earnings this week. We have, Netflix and Johnson & Johnson. I think Johnson & Johnson already reported earnings today, but we have Netflix that is reporting earnings as well. And then we have Tesla tomorrow with a lot more earnings coming our way. So we have the blue chip Dow losing 134 points, 0.4%. And we have the S&P 500 and NASDAQ both trading near flat, guys. We have, what else do we got here? We have Johnson & Johnson falling more than 1% after reporting earnings. We have Lockheed Martin slipping more than 4% following a weak outlook for full year earnings per share. And this is what we're talking about, guys. Greg Bosick, CEO of AX investments, he was saying investors definitely are taking a pause, doing some profit taking on the heels of what was a really good 2-year record high. We saw a really bad sell-off just like we did in the beginning of the year, and we see it quickly recovering back up to highs, guys. So we already saw beginning of the year, we saw it crash, come up again. So that is pretty much what we're seeing in 2024. So, diving into the portfolio now, let's go to the S&P. You could see SPY really consolidating here the last 2 trading days, so today and yesterday. And if you look at SPX, let's go SPX really quick. You can see it's still at a high, really consolidating, and hopefully this is a sign of it popping back up. We want it to come back down a little bit just because we want to buy some Qs here. Here the Q 180 day, or sorry, 6-month chart. We have, really consolidating with, people really bringing in money and the people wanting to come out, bring money out, so locking in profits. So that is the update on how the market is reacting to today. We have the account value at 1,600. We have total market value 8,300, and then cash we have 8,200. We are expecting the other $9,000 to come in here soon. That is on our way from our bank. So let's put quotes on. All right, so now our Qs, guys. We have Qs. Our position is 8 shares. We really want it to really come back down towards the fair value range, around in the 40 range, for us to add more. We do have 8 shares. We have average price 408.26. It is trading at 422 right now, so we want that to come back down a little bit. Market value of $3,300. We have an open P&L of 114. 3.51%. So looking good right now. We just want to be conservative. We want to be cautious. We want to buy deals, and QQQ is overbought right now. So we have Palantir, our cover call position. We have it trading at 17.29 right now. We are, hoping that comes back up a little bit more towards the 1770 by this Friday, the 26th. So then when we get our shares back, we could really turn around and do another cover call. So that's if our shares do not get assigned. That is the update on Palantir. Other 30 stocks, other 29 stocks, I should say, because Palantir is one of them. We have, let's go over actually to open P&L. We have, looks like, for the 30 stocks, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stocks that are in the red right now. And we want to try and buy deals, guys. That's what we're here for. And we want to buy deals in the market right now, buy deals, companies that, we could get a better price on. So looks like really our losers is Palantir. We're not going to touch Palantir because we have a covered call, but our next loser is Ford. Then we have PayPal, Disney, Starbucks, ExxonMobil, Zoom, and Lockheed Martin. Let's go over here and see if any of them are, really down on the day. We have really Lockheed Martin that is down 5.20%, guys. That is looking good for us. Let's go ahead and look at that. Wow, look at that. So it's trading below the 200-day right now. We're trading at 435. We have that 50-day moving average trying to make its way back down towards that 200-day. So we're going to go ahead and lock in some Lockheed Martin. I think our average price, what is our average price? 436.44. It is trading, looks like $1.50 below our average price, close to it. So let's go ahead and lock in a $10 buy of Lockheed Martin here. All right, go ahead, buy $10, 0.02299. All right, guys, so we locked in a Lockheed Martin buy. Really trading with the 21 RSI level, and way below the 200-day moving average, and we got filled at 435.18, guys. So that is pretty much what we got filled at, and that is our $10 buy of the day. Market is really choppy right now, and that's fine. We're cautious. We don't want to add to our QQQs just yet, and keep adding to it. We really want to build a big position in QQQ. So that is pretty much our main thing. And then we want to feed the other 30 stocks and with profits of QQQ. So that is what we're going to do. That is our plan. And we just want to wait until this QQQ RSI level gets down to the fair value to oversold levels before we start adding back in. But you can see QQQ is the third best open P&L right now, with Nvidia and Meta really killing it for us with their gains. So that is pretty much session number 37, guys. Choppy market. Went over, QQQ. We're gonna pause our position right now. Still, Palantir. We're hoping, the stock gets in between 1770 and 1795 levels to be able to turn around, do another cover call for a higher premium, and then we want, then we did a Lockheed Martin $10 buy based off it selling off for the day. You could see here. It really coming below that 200-day at the 20 RSI level. So that is trading session number 37. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hit the outro.